How to fix QuickBooks error 1334. 2 quick solutions. Solution 1, reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel and open it. Step 2, now select the programs and features. Step 3, from the list of programs, locate your version of the QuickBooks. Step 4, select the QuickBooks version you want to uninstall and click on Uninstall/Change. Step 5, now you need to reinstall QuickBooks. To do this, visit the official website. Step 6, select your product and download. Step 7, open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Solution 2, fix Microsoft.NET Framework. Step 1, click on the search icon, type in Control Panel and open it. Step 2, set the view by to large icons and go to Programs and Features. Step 3, then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Step 4, locate the .NET Framework. If it is checked, uncheck them and press OK. Step 5, once Windows has completed the requested changes, click on Restart Now. Step 6, when the system turns back on, open the search menu by clicking the search icon. Step 7, type in Windows Features and open Windows Features, turn on or off. Step 8, in the Windows Features window, turn the .NET Frameworks back on and click OK. Step 9, next, select Let Windows Update download the files for you, and it'll start downloading the files. Step 10, once Windows has completed applying the requested changes, click on Close. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.